Section 46 of the ESI Act grants benefits to employees as Social Security in case of injury, which can be availed during the course of employment. There are 6 types of benefits that can be availed: medical benefit, sickness benefit, maternity benefit, dependents benefits, disablement benefits, and other benefits. Medical benefits are guaranteed to the employee as soon as he or she is hired, with the benefits extending to their family members as well. This benefit covers the payment of all treatment expenses in law of medical issues faced by the employee. However, these medical issues must be during the course of employment. Sickness benefits are covered by the ESI Act, and those employees who are covered under the same can avail periodical payments in case of sickness as per section 46(1)(a) of the Act, as long as the medical condition is verified by an appointed medical practitioner. The compensation is approximately 70% of their wages, with the upper limit for availing compensation being 91 days in a year. In a period of 6 months of employment, the employee must have been working for a minimum of 78 days, or else they cannot claim the benefit. Maternity benefits are insured as per section 46 clause 1 clause B of the ESI Act. An insured woman can claim periodical payments in case of occurrence of any of the following situations: confinement, which is labor leading to birth or birth after 26 weeks, a miscarriage, a sickness arising out of pregnancy, or the premature birth of her child. The benefit is payable for 3 months, with an extension of 1 month if required. The minimum work duration must be 70 days in the year which came before the year of pregnancy. Dependents benefits. This is an interesting extension of the ESI Act, as it covers not just the employee but also the people who are dependent upon the employee, hence the term dependents benefits. It prescribes periodical payments, often made monthly, to the dependents or family members of a person who dies during the course of employment. The cause of death must be an employment injury or an occupational hazard, with the compensation being generally 90% of the employee's wages. Disablement benefits. In case an employee suffers an injury during the course of employment which results in their disablement, they may avail these benefits. The nature of the disablement may be temporary or permanent. Unlike the other benefits, there is no minimum work contribution which the employee is required to perform in order to avail the disablement benefit, although eligibility for the disablement benefit will be determined by the medical board, who will determine the validity of the disability. This determination also affects the amount of compensation granted, if any is granted at all, with general percentages of wages granted being around 90%. Now to the final act, with being other benefits. Other benefits are those miscellaneous benefits apart from the 5 major benefits that can be availed by the employees. These are funeral expenses up to Rs 10,000 to the eldest surviving family member of an employee to perform his last rites. Vocational rehabilitation is payable to disabled employees who are undergoing rehabilitation. Old age medical care works more or less like a pension, which is available for retired employees or those who left employment after suffering an injury, with general compensation being around Rs 120 per month.